We're going to EPCOT today. My outfit of the day is this hot pink tank top from TJ Maxx, and my black shorts are from Old Navy, and my Nike shoes. My top is from Old Navy. These shorts are also from Old Navy. We'll see you at EPCOT. We're here at EPCOT. Let's start at Spaceship Earth. Keep watching because we get to meet characters. Also, at the end of the video, we tell you our thoughts about the day we had. We're going on test track. We're going on Mission Space. We're at Club Cool Coca-Cola. Be cool and like this video. I just tried the Madagascar drink, and it's okay, but it's not my favorite. I'm trying the Royal Watermelon one from Philippines. That one's not that bad. I like that one.
Wait till that left-hand side there for me. All the way to the left. All the way across there.
We're in Mexico, in the rain. Grand Fiesta.
Which was good. No. Ay, ay, ay. Never mind. Excuse me. Who's in a Dutch? This way. This way. We were watching for you. Catch us on tour. Viva Mexico! Adios, amigos. Come again. See you next time.
It's raining. China. Germany. We are in Italy. America. Today we're having lunch at the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. We both got mac and cheese, and I got onion rings and fries and apple juice. I got garlic toast, fries, and an apple juice. This completes our day here at EPCOT. We had fun for the most part, but the heavy rain put a damper on our day. We did not get a ride Frozen. We could not ride Living with the Land because it was closed and not up and running. We could not ride Guardians of the Galaxy because of the virtual queue, which I think is not fair. And we did not go on Figment. The best part of our day was seeing Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. We hope you have the very best day when you visit Walt Disney World.